Here's a quick video of the mini salad garden after about 30 days of growth. So you can see in this video where we have all 4 pods have been planted and the salad is ready to be picked. So we have 2 types of romaine lettuce in here. And I'll take you around the side and let you see the side of it. So as you can see, just in a matter of 30 days, you can have enough to pick off of here for a complete salad. Very easy to grow, doesn't take a lot. Nice big leaves of lettuce. And you can grow other types of lettuce in the mini salad garden as well. So get you a mini salad garden today.